Welcome to Customer Advocacy Programs. In today's video, we'll explore how to turn your satisfied customers into powerful advocates for your brand. Customer advocacy is one of the most effective marketing strategies because people trust recommendations from real users more than traditional advertising. By the end of this video, you'll understand what advocacy programs are, why they matter, and how to build one that drives real business results. Customer advocacy is when your happy customers voluntarily promote your product or service to others. This includes sharing testimonials, writing case studies, speaking at events, or recommending you to their network. Unlike paid advertising where you control the message, advocacy is authentic word-of-mouth marketing. Your customers become brand ambassadors because they genuinely love what you offer. This authenticity makes advocacy incredibly powerful for building trust and credibility in your market. 72% of consumers trust recommendations from real people more than branded content. Customers influenced by peer recommendations spend 54% more and have higher lifetime value. Advocacy also reduces customer acquisition costs significantly because advocates bring in qualified leads who are already interested. Additionally, advocates stay loyal longer and have higher retention rates. Finally, advocacy creates a sustainable growth engine that scales as your customer base grows. It's not just marketing, it's a competitive advantage. Customer advocates can participate in various activities depending on their comfort level and expertise. They can provide testimonials and quotes for your marketing materials. They can participate in case studies showcasing their success with your product. They can attend and speak at industry events and conferences. They can serve on advisory boards to guide product development. They can create user-generated content like videos or social media posts. They can refer new customers to your company, and they can write online reviews on platforms important to your industry. The key is offering options so advocates can participate in ways that suit them best. A successful advocacy program needs clear structure and planning. First, identify your potential advocates. Look for customers who are highly satisfied, actively using your product, and willing to share their experience. Second, create a formal program with clear benefits and guidelines. Third, provide your advocates with resources they need to succeed. This includes talking points, content templates, and promotional materials. Fourth, make participation easy and convenient. Remove barriers so advocates can contribute without extra effort. Finally, recognize and reward advocacy efforts. This could be through exclusive perks, financial incentives, or public recognition. Not all customers are suitable advocates. The best advocates have high product satisfaction, are active users who see consistent value, have relevant industry expertise or influence, and are naturally enthusiastic about sharing their success. Look for customers who already talk positively about you on social media or in reviews. They should be willing and able to invest time in advocacy activities. Consider factors like their network size, credibility in their industry, and communication skills. It's better to have 10 passionate advocates than 100 reluctant ones. Quality over quantity is the principle here. Advocates need proper tools to succeed. Provide pre-written talking points about your key benefits and differentiators. Create content templates they can customize for their audience. Offer sample testimonials and quotes they can use as reference. Provide high-quality product images and videos. Create a resource library or portal where advocates can access everything they need. Offer training sessions to help them articulate your value proposition effectively. Provide templates for case studies and success stories. Make it so easy for advocates to participate that they have no excuses. The less friction you create, the more they'll engage. Recognition and rewards motivate advocates to continue participating. Monetary incentives work well for high-value activities like case studies or event speaking. Exclusive perks, such as early access to new features or special pricing, benefit advocates. Public recognition on your website or social channels builds their personal brand. Exclusive events and networking opportunities create community among advocates. Educational opportunities like certifications or training programs add value. Referral commissions work when advocates bring new business. The best approach combines multiple incentive types. Some advocates are motivated by money, others by recognition or community. Understand what matters to your advocates and tailor rewards accordingly. Creating advocacy content is only half the battle. You must amplify it across channels to maximize impact. Share testimonials on your website, email campaigns, and sales collateral. Feature case studies in your marketing materials and sales decks. Promote user-generated content on your social media channels. Use customer stories in your advertising campaigns. Include quotes in press releases and media outreach. Create video testimonials for your website and social platforms. Feature advocates in webinars and virtual events. Repurpose content across multiple formats and channels. The more places your advocacy content appears, the greater its impact on potential customers. Make sure to credit and thank advocates when sharing their content. Track 6 key metrics to understand your advocacy program's impact. First, engagement rate shows what percentage of advocates actively participate in activities. Second, pipeline impact measures how many deals were influenced by advocacy content and references. Third, sales cycle shows how advocacy speeds up the buying process. Fourth, revenue growth reveals direct and indirect revenue from advocacy-influenced deals. Fifth, content usage tracks downloads, views, and shares of your advocacy materials. Sixth, retention rate indicates whether advocates stay loyal longer than other customers. Measure these metrics monthly and quarterly. Use data to refine your program and demonstrate value to leadership. Now you have a complete roadmap for building your customer advocacy program. Start small with 5 to 10 passionate customers rather than trying to recruit everyone at once. Scale gradually as you learn what works. Reward your advocates generously for their effort and commitment. Continuously iterate and optimize your program based on feedback and performance data. Track return on investment to demonstrate the program's value. Remember, your customers are your most powerful marketing channel. When you empower them to share their success, you create a sustainable competitive advantage that benefits everyone. Transform their success into your growth.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.